What's up, guys? The Mukbang Brothers are back.
And today, our dad made us
chili cheese fries.
Look
at this. We got the sour cream on the sauce. Look at that. That little piece of.
It's up close.
Vegetable.
Up close and personal.
Little piece of vegetable on there.
Onion.
And
we have obviously our water. Oh, this is yours.
Yeah, this was our water.
Okay, this is my water.
It's my water right here.
And let's just start eating. Before we eat, we gotta pray. So, in Jesus' name, we thank you for this food, and let's nurture our bodies. In Jesus' name, I pray. Amen. Before we eat, guys, try to like and
subscribe and turn on
6 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you guys do it? Comment down below.
Hey. I heard that if you turn on post notifications, your crush will like you back.
It's a scam. Just subscribe and like. But let's get into the food, y'all. So we're gonna angle the camera down so you can see our food. Okay. Let's eat. Let me just try fry. As you see, it's quarantine. Don't mind the onesie.
Yeah. Just got done with our work too.
It is actually really good.
It's like, doesn't Dad make the nicest cheese fries?
But quarantine is, if I could describe it in 10 words, it would be boredom and overrun with schoolwork. Yes.
You said describe it in 10 words, boy.
10 words or less. So, right after this video, before this video, we were playing all sorts of video games on my brother's Xbox. One of which was this new game called Battle Crashers. It was a Cartoon Network game. Comment down below if you know what Cartoon Network is.
Well, it wasn't really new because we haven't really busted it out.
Yeah,
we just busted it out.
We left it in there.
Yeah. Turns out it's pretty fun.
Yeah.
Same thing with another game we just busted out. Just Dance.
There's Disney.
Yeah, the Disney version. It's low key fun.
But oh my god, I almost spilled my water. But Disney Plus.
Yeah, we've been on that all quarantine. Yeah.
And they have so many good shows. I can finally finish on my Marvel and get caught up.
And it brings you back to your childhood. Like, you know when we had Austin Alley, like, back in 2013?
Oh my god, I did not miss that show.
But I miss, what was that show called?
Here's a little close-up, guys. Will you see the steam? I don't know if you can see it, but it's steaming. Let me just wrap this, y'all. Here you go.
Thanks, bro.
But I just want to ask, how have y'all been doing with your schoolwork? Because I know you still have to like learn and stuff. And guess what? We're almost
done.
2 weeks.
Me too, because especially I graduate in a couple weeks. Since I'm in 8th grade, we're doing middle school.
Yeah, I'm going to the 7th grade.
I'm going to high school, freshman.
I'm gonna pray for you, but and during school, I'm gonna be taking electives, like extra things you can do, and because out of my 4 main subjects, because my 4 main subjects are
math,
are probably gonna be algebra,
No,
pre-algebra,
Yeah, I think it's probably gonna be pre-algebra. I don't know.
Pre-algebra. I think it's gonna be like, I don't know what kind of science they're doing, and then it's gonna be language arts. And what did you do in 7th grade? Was it economy history in 7th grade?
No, I think it was economics.
Yeah, I think you took economics.
I think it was history.
Yeah,
economics.
Yeah, but like each grade is like a different history, like
because like now we're doing like world history and like all the affairs and stuff. Cause like last year,
because I'm pretty sure 8th grade is world history. I know 6th grade is world history, so you learn about like geography and all this stuff. So I forgot what 7th grade is. Anyway, this food is so good.
Like below if you miss your friends at school.
I know. My best friend, we text a lot, but we don't really get to see each other.
Yeah. Well, I mean, the closest thing we get is seeing each other, because I have like 3 friends that I'm close with. Mm-hmm. We only like video chat or play Madden or talk.
Yeah. Ooh, move the.
And no, EA, this is not a sponsorship for your
We literally just started.
I'm just eating with my hands raw.
You barely even made a dent. Look at my food. Look at this food. You stole a mound.
Got the sour cream and the
oh my god. This. Ooh, don't drop that fry.
No,
just in time.
I didn't drop it. Thank God.
Dude, you're gonna be dehydrated as. He literally drank none of his water.
Because
excuse me.
We sometimes at our house we do who could drink water the fastest challenge.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no! Oh my god. We literally just dropped on the floor.
Yeah.
And I'll clean up later. I mean, come on.
Well, I already do chores at our house. So.
Yeah. After this video, we're probably gonna get back to playing Xbox. Yep.
Both of us are, because we both like battle crashers.
I'm probably gonna get some schoolwork knocked out after this. But
I already did.
I already did too. I'm just trying to get a little bit more just to stay ahead. Oh! Like I haven't told you?
Mother's Day was like a couple days ago.
Yep.
Yeah.
We made cards for our mom, and she was really happy. But anyway.
Shout out to all the moms.
Bruh. Well, yeah, shout out to all the moms. But you literally interrupted me. But anyway. I haven't told you guys, but I'm actually in orchestra. And orchestra is not band. It's what violins and violas and cellos and basses. So, she has us do so many assignments. But I only have a tiny bit left.
Zion. Yeah, don't worry. Split.
You want to split it?
You want to split? You split. I'm being dead honest.
Okay, but let me eat my food first.
Like if you have your own like little clique, little friends you hang out with. I got my own, because I have like specifically like 4, maybe 5 max friends that I hang out with.
Yeah, I have about 4 that I like really, really see like every day, interact with.
But you can't really see them now because this quarantine life, you know. But like But the thing is, my friends are gonna still be middle school, but I'm gonna still call them over the summer.
Yeah, because all your friends are in 7th grade, right?
Yeah,
except for Eli. Eli's in 6th.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Because they still gonna be in middle school.
Mhm. Mhm.
And Will.
Will?
Yeah, Will.
You don't know Will.
You talking about the white boy?
Will was in Buck Lake. He was not the best kid.
You talking about that white boy that plays football?
No. Yes. All of your kids, all those guys are Caucasian except for Eli.
Except for Eli? Yeah.
This boy here. This boy here is inappropriate at times.
Why are you spilling my beans?
I'm not even doing anything. No, put it back. Hey. I did not mean to.
Let's see, it's still gonna drink. What is it?
What?
It's still gonna drink.
And I am.
Can't believe I finished.
This was delicious.
I finished more than you. Dang, you finished more than me. Oh, our dad's coming.
Y'all want some more fries? Chicken?
Oh, yes. I'll get it. I got. I'm about to get some more food. You keep him company.
So my dad is feeding my little brother more fries because he liked them so much. Because me and my dad are usually the eaters of the family, as you could say. Because, I eat way faster than him, but usually today he doesn't. He eats faster than me today, so now.
And good. And I am back. Ooh. With more foods, with more eats. Okay, anyway, what are you talking about?
Talking about, me and dad usually are the predators of the family. But, you can eat fast when you want to, you know?
Yes, I can. But, yeah.
Yeah. Look at this. Wait, gotta make sure it doesn't spill. Look at this right here.
Don't make sure it doesn't spill.
Look at this.
Bruh. Use your napkin. Anyway, you need to be finished, bruh. This is my second thing. You don't like it?
I do. You see all there?
Oh. Wait a second there.
Oh, boy. Hey, y'all, subscribe if you're new.
Well, we're just gonna. This is the video where we just stop talking and we just eat because we enjoy the food. So, and you don't come here just to talk about what we be doing. Well, maybe you do, but I don't know. But anyway, we're just gonna stop talking. We're just gonna eat.
That's your preference. I'm still be talking. That's your choice. So, really good. Hey, we need to get our total up from, I think we have 5 subscribers.
7
subscribers. Up to, hey, let's get it to 10. 10 subscribers and we post tomorrow.
What do you mean? Oh, okay.
10 subscribers and I post tomorrow. Because usually we just do these when we feel like them. We don't. Believe me, we wish we had time to post up on the daily.
If you if you want to see us like do daily, we might.
Especially during this quarantine, you know.
Because we have a lot of food, we'd be like, mukbang, but we just be like, we just want to chill and relax.
And then our mom would be like, when we really be doing when we actually want to do mukbangs, and we see like food, real good food for mukbangs, Mom's like, no, I'm saving this for your dinner. You know?
No, she does not.
Yeah, she does.
When's one time that she did that?
When we had, I wanted to do a mukbang on steak, but when I saw steak, she,
I do not like steak.
See?
Bruh.
Water?
Let me just.
Okay. Well, dang, you chugger.
That is done. But. And I just finished another plate of food.
I'm about to get full. Though.
Let me help you.
What? Don't even.
You wanted to share.
I wanted to. Well, you had 2 plates, so I don't understand.
I'm hungry.
Maybe 3.
Well, we hope you guys had a good day. And we're signing out. Mukbang Brothers out.